Hello students, welcome back to the online English class. In this video, we are going to understand our second lesson of third unit, that is reading works of art. From art, you might have understood that what this lesson is about. In this lesson, we are going to understand about a very great, you can say, painter. He was Syed Haider Raza and a very renowned artist from India. Now, before understanding the lesson, we are going to do the warm up. Here, we have to complete these sentences. These are the phrases which convey some meaning, and here we have to fill up the appropriate color. Color means the name of the color. These colors are identified with some feelings or ideas. So according to that, you have to fill up. I give you some examples. Give someone a dash look. A look of anger, dislike, etc. Means which color represents the anger or dislike? Red color. So give someone a red look. Means a look of anger. Out of the dash, suddenly, unexpectedly. Here you may be not knowing this. Out of the blue. Out of the blue means what? Out of the sky. From the sky suddenly something falls down or comes down. Like that, suddenly, unexpectedly. This phrase means suddenly or unexpectedly. Out of the blue. This idea came out of the blue. Suddenly this idea came. So this is how these other blanks you have to fill up in the textbook itself. After that, uh, we are going to read the lesson reading works of art by Syed Haider Raza. So here, before reading the text, once you observe this painting, what is there in this painting? You have the textbook or in the video also you can observe this painting. Observe it with quiet mind. What do you feel? This painting is not ordinary, means it is not like ordinary paintings or any paintings. If you observe it, you feel some energy. The bright colors hidden inside the dark colors. There is a good color combination. So this conveys some feelings. This transfers some feelings, some ideas to us. Such paintings are called as abstract paintings. Means the hidden thoughts or feelings are there. We don't get the material or concrete things from it, such as the eating things, such as the smell, such as the touch. But this is abstract painting, means only by watching or observing it you get some ideas, some energy, some thoughts, some feelings. So these paintings are called as abstract paintings. Now let us understand the lesson. Here one more activity is there. What are you reminded of when you think of the following colors? So when you observe the color, what do you think? So here one, two, three, four, five colors are given. They have the different representations. Suppose white color represents clarity, honesty. So this is how other colors also represent. Now purple color is a royal color. Purple. Orange color, it shows the maturity. When the fruit matures, it becomes orange. This is why maturity. So other colors are also there. So you can write here in the textbook itself what you feel about them, or you can find out it from the internet also. So that you fill up here. You will understand more about the colors whenever you will observe any extraordinary painting. You will understand what the painter wants to convey us, what he wants to tell us. Now come on the passage. Sayyid Haider Raza, popularly known as Raza, was a renowned Indian artist. Simple geometric shapes, striking color combinations, captivating compositions. Captivating means what? Capturing the interest. These compositions means the work. Composition is a work. Captures our interest. Now see, this example of this painting is there. If you observe it for some time, you will get more and more interest to observe it. What is hidden in it, and actually hidden thoughts are there in it. It is abstract painting. You will get your peace of mind, concentration will increase if you observe such type of paintings. This is why they cost very much. They have so much cost. A different type of colors, color qualities, and these thoughts are used here. Now these are some of the characteristic features of his paintings. Characteristic features means speciality of that paintings. And so are the colors blue and orange. Blue and orange, these are the specialities of his paintings. You will find them in almost all his paintings. None of his paintings depict means what? To describe or to show lifelike human figures or copies of scenes from his environment. None of his paintings means no painting will show you the lifelike human figures or animals also sometimes. That will not depict copies of scenes from his environment, or some environment is there such as the water falling from the stream, such as the mountains are there, trees are there, that atmosphere. Some painters paint it, the realistic paintings. What is the atmosphere that they paint? But Raza's paintings, you will not find any of this. Now his paintings belong to the abstract style of paintings. Abstract style means what? This type of paintings in which anything is not given clearly. That is in the abstract form, hidden form, mysterious form. Such paintings are not inspired by any external factor. In this, any external factor such as whatever we see, the scene outside is not there. These paintings are not inspired by that thing. The houses, the trees, the atmosphere, the water, the stream, the birds, the animals, nothing is there. They originate when the artist tries to peep into his own inner mind. Peep into own inner mind means when you look into your own inner mind, what is going on into your mind, when you understand your thoughts, that time such paintings come out. And these thoughts we will understand if we observe such painting for long time. Every day people apply such paintings in their houses. Every day they wake up, they observe them, wake up, they observe them for half hour, 1 hour, as a meditation. And this is how they come to know daily something new in that painting. They find something new daily in that painting. This is how such paintings cost very much. They are made by arranging circles, triangles, squares, rectangles, lines, dots in different compositions. You can see that these all things are pertaining to or related to the geometry. So he used geometry very much, using effective techniques of applying paint, attractive color combinations, achieving balance in some places and creating imbalance in other places. Here he created, you can see, uh, this painting. Here darkness is there. Again the darkness is there. Inside the spot, bright spot. Here the brightness is there. So somewhere the imbalance, somewhere the balance is there. And this thing he used to make a combination. Raza found his paintings through his study of Indian art and its heritage. Heritage means whatever whatever our culture is there. From that he got this inspiration. He studied Indian art and the heritage, the cultural context and philosophy. Philosophy means what are the thoughts of great people from India. What do they think? His pictures seem to radiate peace. Radiation means what? To emit the waves, to emit the rays or light. So his pictures emit means throw out the peace and life at the same time. Whenever you observe his picture, if you are not in good mood or dis mood, if you observe that picture, that painting, you will become fresh, you will become confident, your mind will become positive, thoughts will become positive. So this was the magic in these paintings. We realize that the painting is a visible form of very deep thought. So paintings, through paintings, we express very deep thought. Very few abstract paintings communicate with the viewers as much as Razas do. Very few abstract paintings communicate. Very few paintings are there in the world which which tell us such thoughts, tell us these things with the viewers. Means they communicate with the viewers who are watching as much as Razas do. Means like Raza's paintings, very few paintings are in the world which tell us something. Here I stop. So far I have explained so many difficult words also. So you can rewind the video and you can note down them in the textbook itself. If you have any doubts, you can ask anytime. Take care. Thank you so much.